In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hatchback lift supports on this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. With the trunk lid open or deck lid, you want to have someone holding it so that it doesn't fall while you're doing this job. And you want to take a pick and then just pop this little clip off right here. With that off, we'll just pull that out. Then we're going to do the same on the bottom. Just pop the clip off, and it slides right off. Now we're going to pop this right on, just like that, snap it in place, and then doing the same with the top. Line it up, lock it down, and you can do the same with the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.